Animal Company
Today
just
we will be
dropped.
touching children. Oh wait, I didn't even put my proper outfit on. What is good, guys? Today we're gonna be checking the new update in the little thingamabob over there. As you can see, it is glowing a beautiful purple now. Gojo reference, I don't know. But a monkey boy, where is you? Oh, he gone. He gone. Oh shoot. Okay. Wee. What the flippity flip? Oh, I did not bring backpack, which I should have. Where am I? I see these things are here. They're like, what are these? These look like the flash ones. Oh shoot, what the flip? I'm gonna get a backpack and ka-chow. I'm gonna just like collect these. Is this one the same or is it like different? No, it's just like the same. There's not a lot. I don't think they're worth anything. Okay, I guess that's it. And time to sell over here. It might be worth something might Whoa, guys. 5 nuts. Yeah, guys, that's like worth serious money right there. Yeah, that seems to be it. Thank you for today, guys, and have a nice one.